In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Telegram channel, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on the top right corner to create a chat. Once it's created, you're then going to click on New Channel. Click on Create Channel and you'll have the option to name it. I'm going to name it Test, and you can add a picture if you would like, and you can also add a description. Now, you're then going to click on Next, and you'll have the option to make it public or private. I'm going to click on Public, and you can also have a link. Now, once you have the link actually created, you're then going to actually copy it and you can paste it to your friends that you want to join the channel. I'm just going to make a random link name and click on Next. Now, as you can see, it is now created. You can add your contacts in as well, but I don't want to add anyone right now. And that's all there is to it. Your Telegram channel is created. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.